Hey, what's up guys? Thank you very much for joining me once again. And this is Ian, by the way, for Pinometric.com and Pinometric YouTube channel. And today, we will be looking into a very useful device. It's the PLDT Home Wi-Fi Prepaid Advanced. So basically, this device is PLDT's answer to the increasing demand of wireless connectivity in our homes and our home offices. So I think we have the Evoluzn variant. So Evoluzn has been a long-time partner or a long-time device partner for PLDT and its wireless arm, Smart Communications. So I am very excited to take this unit in review. But before that, let's go to the unboxing.
Let's go.
Okay, I know you might see a postpaid branding here, but Evoluzn told me that this device is currently used for PLDT's prepaid brand. This came straight from Evoluzn, so don't you worry guys, it's the same device. So what we have here is a rectangular box with of course a PLDT branding and PLDT color scheme. It says here that it's powered by Smart LTE. We have here the Speedtest awards by Ookla, so it's the fastest in 2019. We have the device picture here. Okay, at the back, we have here some information. So you can connect up to 5 devices. And it's plug and play, so no installation needed. And then no bill shock. So okay, I think let's unbox this one. Let's go. So it's a slide-through box. Once we get that out of the way, we have a very clean box with the PLDT Home logo here. It's a nice clean looking box for me. It's really straightforward guys. We have the Evoluzn FX-ID5 here. We have some documentations here. So we have the quick start guide and the device home Wi-Fi user guide. So it says FX-ID5, which is the name of the actual device itself. We have our LAN cable here. And then the power brick. And I guess that's it. Very straightforward and very simple. So this device comes with a SIM card. You don't have to worry in buying another SIM card. And it also comes with 10 gigs of data that is good for 7 days. So it will help you, or it will get you jump started, which is a good thing. The PLDT Home Wi-Fi Prepaid Advanced does not need a line installation. This is a plug-and-play product and is equipped with a powerful modem powered by Smart LTE. So you can use this in any areas that has LTE and LTE coverage. I think guys, it means that this does not need a line installation. So once you plug in the power and plug the power adapter to the wall outlet, and then you're good to go. This is powered by Smart LTE, so I think you can use this with areas with LTE or LTE Advanced coverage. The PLDT Home Wi-Fi Prepaid Advanced comes with a rectangular body, so the signal strength has 4 LEDs to let you know the level of signal strength in your area. The backside is a perforated panel which is a home to the essential ports like WAN, LAN 1, LAN 2, and LAN 3. So the WAN port, you can use this one for wired internet connection. For example, you have an existing fiber connection or VDSL connection. You can use this one as a router for those services by using this port here. On this area, we can also see the power input, power switch, reset button, and the WPS button. And the underside is home to the SIM slot and some documentations or NTC license stamping. So setting up the Evoluzn's PLDT Home Wi-Fi Prepaid Advanced is just a walk in the park. It's literally a plug-and-play device since you just have to plug your device to the power source and place it in the best spot for optimum signal coverage. Once the internet LED turns blue, you can connect your device to the network. The default SSID and Wi-Fi key is found at the underside of your device. Your internet LED indicator here, when it turns blue, it means that you're connected to LTE, and when it turns green, it means that you're connected to 3G or 2G network. So it's also worth noting that you will have 2 sets of credentials. One, in order for you to connect to your device, and number 2, in order for you to connect to the web UI of your device. For that, we have a default SSID and Wi-Fi password. So okay, once we have connected our device to the router, we can now change the default password to our own preferred password by going to PLDT Wi-Fi settings.net or inputting the IP address number the 265.1.1 in our browser here. If it's your first time to enter the URL, you'll have to click the Advanced button and then the Proceed to PLDT Wi-Fi Settings.net button. So you can enter the web UI interface by inputting PLDT Home as your username and password. And then once you're there, you can set up your preferred username and password. And when you have successfully changed your network name and password, all connected devices will be dropped out of the network, and then you'll have to reconnect once again to the new network name. Aside from changing your network's name and password, there are also many things that you can do with the PLDT Home Wi-Fi dashboard. So in the Status tab, you can manage the devices connected in your network. You can also make a separate network for your guests using the web UI. So this means that you can enable, disable, or modify that guest Wi-Fi in any time or in any way that you want. And of course, the device also allows you to block users, so this adds another layer of protection for your Wi-Fi or your network. So in my residence, I can get a consistent 16 to 18 Mbps for the download speed and a consistent 10 Mbps for the upload speed. So I think this router is very capable even when I'm using multiple devices. I had multiple testings in multiple locations in the house and got the same speed range. This means that the Evoluzn FX-ID5 router has wide range and could cover a significant area for a normal household. Of course, when you go to the PLDT Home website, you can find other routers or other products that is under this prepaid advanced product. So there's the Boots Even and Green Packet model. On paper, I can see that the Evoluzn FX-ID5 router has more wireless technology fallbacks due to its support for 2G technology up to LTE Advanced. Boots Even only covers from 3G to LTE Advanced, while the Green Packet only supports LTE and LTE Advanced. So in terms of the Wi-Fi bands, the Evoluzn FX-ID5 has two Wi-Fi bands, the 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz. It's also the same case with the Boots Even, but the Green Packet one only operates at the 2.4 GHz band. So personally, I think the more Wi-Fi bands supported by the router, the better the experience. For example, I have many smart devices in my home. Some of these smart devices only works in a specific band, so having both bands gives me the optimum support for my smart devices at home. In terms of port, the Evoluzn has 4 ports including the WAN port for wired internet connectivity such as fiber and VDSL. The Boots Even only have 4 LAN ports and it does not support wired connectivity. And the Green Packet supports only 1 LAN port. So as we embrace the new normal, the demand for home connectivity is in high bars, due to the fact that most of us are working from home and studying from home. And with this, I think not all of us can have direct access to a wired internet connectivity due to exhaustion of services and wired infrastructure limitations. But I think the PLDT Home Wi-Fi Prepaid Advanced, especially the Evoluzn FX-ID5 model, can give us a plug-and-play solution that most of us can take advantage of. And while you're at it, the Evoluzn FX-ID5 gives the most value of the 3 routers under this service. It has better reliability in terms of wireless connectivity fallback. It also has more flexibility in terms of ports. And of course, it supports the dual Wi-Fi band. So I think that's all for me, geeks, and thank you very much for joining me despite your busy schedules. And I hope this video finds you well. And of course, hang in there, guys. We'll get out of this pandemic together in one piece. And of course, if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to our channel. You can like this video and you can also hit that bell notification icon in order for you to be updated when we publish new videos. And again, that's all from me, geeks. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!